Hello friends, today we will explain Ivan Gambit part 4 in which we will show a immortal game of Garry Kasparov with Vishwanath Anand which was played in Tal Memorial, Riga 1995. Kasparov playing white plays e4 and here Vishwanath Anand played e5 and f3 and c6. And here Anand thought that Kasparov will play Ruy with bishop b5, but here Kasparov plays unexpected bc4. Then what to do? Here Anand played bc5 and Garry Kasparov played b4, a old opening. Ivan Gambit here. Here Anand take this pawn with bishop, then c3, and here bishop was played on e7, a silent move, then d4 was played, and here Anand used the idea of Nigel sort. Give this pawn, but take this dangerous bishop, so played na5. Now what to do? Here Garry Kasparov is Garry Kasparov. He does not give bishop. See this position and not take this pawn, but plays bishop e2. And now what black should do? Either he should take pawn or not. Here Anand decided to take the pawn with e cross d4, and here Garry Kasparov played queen cross d4. See this move, threatening to take g7 pawn. Here Vishwanath Anand played nf6. If he played d5, this move is quite interesting because then white cannot take with queen, queen will be exchanged. If he take with pawn, then knight will play here f6 and no problem for black. So then it was very interesting, d5 opening this bishop and he will be saved. But in the actual game, here Anand played nf6. Then he played e5. Here, what to do? Vishwanath Anand played nf6. Then queen will go to here h4, knight on d5, queen is saved on g3. Now what to do? Here white threatens g7 pawn. If he castles, then bishop will come on h6, winning the exchange. But I think this was quite good for black. This is right way. Here Vishwanath Anand played defensive move g6, saving this pawn. And here castling was done by Kasparov. See this position carefully. Here Vishwanath Anand black played nb6. He does not castle here. I think he should castle here. If he castles, then what will happen? Let's take castle. Then if c4 is played, then knight will go to b6, then nc3, and here d6, opening this bishop. Now what to do? If bishop h6, rook will go to e8, and this bishop will come to d7 or e6, and game is safe. You can say here at least black is equal. Here we will take back the game. This was the actual position. Here Vishwanath Anand actually played this knight to b6. And here Garry Kasparov played c4. Then d6, allowing to move his bishop, opening his bishop diagonal. Then what to do? Rook on d1. Here and d7 was played. Here Garry Kasparov played bishop h6, not allowing black to castle and sacrificing this pawn by knight. Then Anand take the pawn with knight cross knight, knight cross knight, knight cross knight. And here Garry Kasparov developed his knight to c3. Then f6 was played. Here black can play bishop on e6. Then Kasparov will play bishop on here, taking this knight, but this is refutable with bishop here f6, bishop cross rook, bishop cross bishop, and game will be safe. Here black can give exchange, but here f6 was played. Anand does not give exchange but played f6, and Kasparov played here c5, then an f7 to drive this bishop. Now cd6. See this move. Now black is bound to take this pawn with pawn. Here taking the pawn with bishop, then queen e3, queen e7, and knight will here and taking bishop. This and this pawn is not good for black. So here pawn take pawn is necessary. Then queen e3, and now knight cross h6, queen cross h6. Here king f7 is a wrong choice because of bishop c4, bishop will e6, bishop cross bishop, king cross here, and rook at check, etc. So here Viswanath Anand played a funny move, bishop f8. See this move. Then queen will go to e3 check. Now he cannot play queen e7 because of knight will come here, threatening to take this pawn or this pawn. Then what to do? Here Anand played king f7 and d5. Now what to do? Here white threat is bc4. Then what to do? He played bishop e6. Then Garry Kasparov played nf4, threatening this bishop. And here what black can do? Here saving this bishop to here on d7 is not good because of queen will here check, king here and taking this pawn and threatening, knight will come here and winning the queen, etc. And queen on d7 is not good because bishop will come here. Then black will be in problem. So here Viswanath Anand tries queen e7, and here Garry Kasparov played rook e1, and here Viswanath Anand resigned the game. Why Viswanath Anand resigned? We will analyze here. If here black tries with rook e8, then what will happen? Knight cross bishop, queen cross knight, queen cross queen. And if here two options, either with king or rook. If it is taken with rook, then what will happen? bc4 and black resigns here. Now we will show last. If it is taken with king, then what will happen? We will show. And here this was the position. If this queen is taken with king, then bishop will go to b5 and black resign here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned with Gupta Chess 15. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe the same. Thank you.